Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the exact materials, 6 wood planks and 1 stick for each sign. Open your crafting table and place 3 planks across the top row and 3 across the middle, then a stick in the bottom middle. Once done, drag the sign into your inventory. Make sure to choose wood type now. Oak, spruce, or birch change appearance. You're moving immediately toward placement, so hold the sign in your hotbar and approach the block where you want it to appear. You place the sign by aiming at the block face and right-clicking or tapping to attach it. Once placed, a text editor opens with 4 lines. Type your message and press Done. If you need multi-line formatting, plan phrases to fit the 1st through 4th lines. Shorter is clearer. For colored text in servers, use allowed color codes or sign editing plugins. Otherwise, keep it plain for single player. Make sure to check alignment and spelling. You finish by confirming the sign displays correctly. Walk back and read it from different angles and distances. If you need precise placement or automated text, use /setblock with JSON text in Creative or with operator rights. Once done, make sure to lock or protect the area on servers to prevent tampering. If the text won't save or disappears, check server permissions, plugins, or client mods, and try in a vanilla world to isolate the issue. A quick reload often fixes display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.